Hey chaps, I just thought I'd film this evening just to capture the. That's how cold it is. Yeah, Kate's freezing her tits off. Dry, beautiful weather today. Sun's out. November 20. It's nearly December, and yeah, we've got a bit of a cold spell. Nice and cool. Anyway, you get the idea. Sparkly. It's got sparkly face. Nice. Nice. Right guys, we've got a couple of parcels here. They arrived today. Camera is too close. Okay, we've got it says Kate here. If you can see that, you see that where it says Kate. Yeah. Anyway, okay, we've got two parcels that say Kate, and very nice. I don't know who they're from. I've got a feeling they're from a gentleman called Mark. This says Fragile on it. That's the address. Anyway, so. Let's open these without damaging what's inside. Oh, it's got a nice little note in. It says, "Hi folks, hopefully these will be a... Oh, it's got a donation as well, look at that. Ah, bless you, mate. Hopefully these will be a source of inspiration for you when the chips are down. Cold Springs are on their way, but may... No, I'm not knocking it. Cold Springs are on the way, but may take a little longer. P.S. I'm not sure how much one of your CDs are, but hopefully this will cover it. If not, let me know, or if it's too much, keep the change." Ah, bless you, mate. So he wants a CD. With much pleasure. I can see the name. I'm not going to show it on the camera. It is Mark from Lincoln. Thank you, Mark. A CD will be winging its way to you. I'm going to have to write to you, Mark, for your address. But that is beautiful. Another CD is going out. What's this now? Okay. Oh, wow. That's a Tickford, I think. A Tickford Capri. This is Mark's house, this is, yeah? Mm-hmm. No, I'm only joking. It's not really. I don't know. It might be. Capri Club. Okay, so these are... I think these are postcards. Awesome. Wow. Awesome. Capri Owner Handbook. Oh, that is good, man. That is really good. Oh, dude, look at this. You're not dude, though, are you?
No. Not lost in your chips.
Oh, man. That is a dog's bollocks, that is.
Wow.
That is a beautiful car, isn't it?
That's lovely.
Is it picking up the colour?
Yep.
That is gorgeous. And these are the wheels that we've got, I think. I think that's where the similarities end. What is that now? Is that, I can't read. That's a GT.
That's beautiful.
Have you got your glasses on? I haven't got my glasses on. Anyway, I don't know if this might be... anyway, that is gorgeous. And that looks lowered. It looks lowered in the back, doesn't it? Anyway, that is freaking beautiful. Thank you, Mark. That is gorgeous. That's going to go on a frame. And here we've got something that looks practical. You're still filming? You're too close to me. You're too close. That's it. Trying to teach Heather the woods. See, you got to film so you get everything in the shot. There you go. All right, you got it.
Yeah.
So, Mark, I'll tell you what, mate. This is beautiful, mate. So, starting the engine. Well, that's on a 1600 cars fitted with automatic transmission. The choke is manually operated. The starting from coal procedure is in this case similar to that laid down for manual transmission cars. Okie dokie. Right, well this is brilliant. I think this might be for the Kent engine. Don't know, because we do... What a beautiful job he's done, eh? Beautiful job. I want to know if it covers anything about the engine. I guess it's too late for the engine because we've already moved forward. Anyway, this is awesome. This is awesome. Mark, I think you are the daddy for Capris, and you've got a beautiful Capri yourself. That is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful, and here, what do we have here?
Oh, a sticker.
You know what? This is a sticker of sorts. Let's have a look.
Capri sticker.
Oh, this is the 50th anniversary sticker.
Oh.
The 50th anniversary. Thank you, Mark. That's going to go on the glass, on the Capri. And this is a smaller copy of this. Oops. Oh, incredible. Incredible. Which colour do you prefer, sweetie?
Gold.
You like the gold one better than the blue, yeah? Yeah, that gold is absolute amazing. And here we got, he said something about some springs. It's even in a Ford box as well.
Nice.
No, he sent us some biscuits.
Oh.
That is amazing. Shortcake from Lincoln as well.
Wow.
These are going to go down with some cups of tea, I think. Thank you very much.
Nice.
That is beautiful. What is in here, man?
Springs.
I thought they were going to be car springs, but I don't think you're going to fit car springs in here. What sort of springs are they? Oh, no way! Look at this.
Oh.
That is the car we saw in that photo.
Sweet. Oh my
That is
days.
amazing, man. I think the door's open as well. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, man. Hey?
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
The light's not good here, is it? Is that better? Oh, man. Check it out. Check it out. Wow. I'm working my way
Lovely.
into, you know, like, bought the Capri without having any idea about it, and still don't have an idea about it, but it looks as though Mark is sort of helping us go back a few steps to learn a bit more about the following, the history of the cars and information about the cars, to maybe appreciate more what we've got. Mark, freaking awesome, mate. Thank you very much.
Playtime now.
Hey?
It's playtime
Yeah.
now. Play with your little dinky toy.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
You get some mortgage to put that down if you want, and then work along. Yeah. Just give me that a minute. If you push up, push on in there, yeah. Got it? Slowly. Okay. One second. Just hold that 1 second. Under your eyes. That's it. Yeah. You pick the ammo.
I'll get it, mate.
There you go. Thank you, sir. Stick it that way, dude, yeah?
Put round the back of the car, actually.
Oh, why not? Just rest it here, dude. Yeah.
It's fucking weird, isn't it? Hey chaps, we've welded a Capri. This is NASA quality welding. I've just noticed these 3 black blotch marks. What the fuck are they for? Anyway, we're going to blast the car with some water. Right, dude?
Yeah.
Come on.
Should we get these out?
No.
Okay. You gotta plug it in, dude.
Dude, what are you doing, man? You're watering next door neighbour's freaking garden.
Just making sure it works, man. Right.
Do it.
This is important. I'm guessing I don't want to get nothing on that.
No, don't worry, dude. Just blast everything.
Okay. So. I don't think I should spray any on the drive shaft. Yeah, well done, dude.
Dude, it's changed. 12 different colours, man. Have a look in there. It's gone white.
Yeah, you blasted the
paint off.
the paint off.
Shut up. Hey chaps, check out the quality of the paintwork. It's so incredibly difficult to remove. Check this out. You know what I mean? You just use your air compressor and you strip a car. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gav and Paul. No, it's not. It's Emmanuel, is it? Gav and
You
Emmanuel.
don't know your own name. Start again.
We just
Hold on.
hi guys, we just wanted to give you an update. We've done absolutely cool with Kate, and
Cut.
apart from a bit of painting and some seam sealer and some welding.
Yeah, welding, painting, and seam sealer in the engine bay.
Yeah.
ready for the engine to go back in.
You are gigging this Saturday
I am.
with a Dog of Two Heads, the Status Quo tribute band.
I am, in Market Harbour.
So you're going to be missing on Saturday.
Yeah.
You're going to be rocking and rolling, and Ian and I are planning to put the engine in the Capri.
Yeah.
And
In the middle of winter,
yeah, in the rain.
because we're hard.
We've got the clutch kit for it. Bought the right bell housing.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be rocking and rolling. Do you want to tell them about the Facebook page?
Yeah. Let me show you a picture.
Yeah.
What we've done is, because we won't be doing any videos for a few months, because Manu's also trying to sort out moving. So what we did is we made a little Facebook page.
Indeed, yeah.
So you can stuff on there.
Yeah. So if any of you are on Facebook and you want to join our page, Gav's
I'll-
going to give
I'm
you the
gonna
info how to join Kate, the restoration
Yeah.
page.
It's coming up as this. Don't know if you can see that. Probably not.
What's it called?
It's got a picture of Kate on the front of it, and the channel is called 1969 Ford Capri Restoration Kate, and you can find that with the URL at 1969 Kate Capri Kate. Don't know if you can see very well.
Yeah.
So zoom in.
We need to put a better photo on.
Yeah, we'll take a little picture and just post it at the end with the link.
Yeah.
But we're going to put pictures on there, maybe a couple of little quick videos on the phone, just to keep you updated with what's going on until Mano's done the full move, and then we'll go back to it in the spring, and hopefully the car will be running by then.
Yeah. So this is going to be, because we can do quicker posts on Facebook, so they might
Correct.
see a few photos and updates there sooner than they'll see them on YouTube,
Correct.
because it's easier to do it, quicker to do it.
Little
And-
videos, little pictures,
Yeah.
little bits of information. You can share some of your pictures, some of your
Yeah,
videos.
yeah, that'd be nice.
If you're doing any restorations, share them with us. If
Yeah.
you have any
Any
questions,
burnouts,
yeah, just
any
and
fails.
we'll use the Facebook until spring,
Yeah.
and then we'll be back on it on spring
Yeah,
and start
yeah.
doing the full videos.
All right, guys. So just stay cool.
Have a great Christmas.
Oh yeah, and we had a song to play.
We
Shall
did
I
have
put it on after this?
No,
Even a
it's
little
not
bit.
ready.
Even
It's
a little
not.
bit.
We're writing a song,
Hang on,
but
let's
it's,
do it
it's
now.
not ready.
Let's do it now. Come on, dude. Do
I
it.
don't even remember it.
Come on, dude. It's that. It's this one, isn't it? Oh, I need to take the plectrum thing off.
You got the melody. So there's the melody. You can hum that along. It will get stuck in your head.
Well, we need to sing the song, dude. Even terribly. I'll cut it out if it's shit.
No, we're not going to.
How does it start?
I don't know, dude. I
All right.
forgot. I've been to bed since then.
Guitar needs tuning anyway.
Yeah, and the guitar's actually.
Right.
But yes, have yourself
Merry little Christmas.
a merry little Christmas.
See you guys.
From Kate, Gav, Paul, and Mena.
Yep. Hasta la vista.
I'd like to find a nicer way of playing it.
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Anyway, all right, guys, we're working on this tune. Should we turn the camera off?
No.